Okay, this is S7. Okay, I want you to download Android file transfer. So whenever you hook up your phone, especially Android device to your Mac, okay, your computer will recognize your Android device. Okay, it said can access device storage. If your device screen is locked, disconnect its USB cable, unlock your screen, and then reconnect the USB cable. Okay. Okay, disconnected, reconnected. Okay, so same thing happens. So trick here is see here. Okay. So now what's happening here is okay. This one says charging and stuff. Okay, so when you go in here, when you connect this cable right over here, okay, you see this now. There's little a little kind of wave indicate this is charging. Okay, so now if you here I drag the top screen down to open this. Okay, then I'll simply clear all of them. Okay, and now because it's connected to USB, it says charging, and then down here it says USB charging. Click this one. Then now, use USB 4, charging. Now we are going to do file transfer. Okay, so now we basically allowed file transfer. That means going back here, now this is not going to be locked. So when you kind of reconnect it, do it quickly. I'm going to click OK, and now you can possibly bring, well actually, now it brings your Galaxy S7. So what you can do, you can drag your APK file into one of this folder. Okay, so I usually do download. Okay, in the inside of download, I have like AR test, and I have this test.apk file. I'm going to drag it into the download. Okay. Now you can disconnect it. Okay. I'm going to go to here. Okay, there's my files in my case here. If you don't see that my files, I think you can go to apps. Okay. You don't find my files, but my files usually located inside of Samsung. Okay. So here's what I did. Go to apps and find Samsung. Inside of Samsung folder, you will be able to find this my files. Click on it. Okay. Now you can find something recently added. So, or if you cannot find it, just click search on the top. Okay, search. I'll just put .apk. Then you will have a bunch of APK files. I just put test.apk. Just click on it. Okay, and then it said, "Oh, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access." Okay, that's fine. Just install it. And click down here to install. And now this is installing. And once it's done, you will be able to find that AR or whatever file on your watch. I don't see it here, but I can go to apps, and I will be able to find that AR app. Click on it and allow AR to take pictures and record video. Yes, allow. then basically this is Unity, and then it will control the camera to bring like this. So this one, if I have that, actually let me test this. I used this boy image as my, so here I'll try to find it. I'll actually, I used this. So let's actually change the camera. Okay. So it's high. Well, I'm using this camera, so the trick I can do, possibly, let me try to find that boy image. Okay. Okay, so you will actually see this. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Actually, this is not good. Images. It has too much layers, but let's see. So now you can actually see, okay, this one has this, okay. So you see this spear got created, right? So this is how you can transfer your APK file to your device, especially Samsung Galaxy S7. Okay? And as you can see, now you can see these spears on your phone. All right, that's pretty much it.